This is a ThinkPad X1 Carbon 6th Gen, and it arrived 2 days early. Okay, so the device booted right up without taking me into the Windows 10 loading screen, so most likely they just did a clean wipe of this and not actually reset it. So the model that I got was actually the 8550U, so slight upgrade there, no disappointment for me. Though 36-day uptime. Clearly, they did not power this off or restart it or do any type of official reset to this thing before sending it. We do have 16 gigs of RAM. We do have a 512 gigabyte drive in here, though I did buy a Sabrent Rocket 1 terabyte PCIe Gen 4 drive that should arrive on Thursday. We'll get that put in here. Disk 1. SDMMC, my guess is they left something in the micro SD slot and the standard integrated GPU.